What's up, millionaire brothers? What's going on? Today video is going very special because selling or buying. Today we teach about you are selling or buying because what you doing if anchor going down, what you doing if anchor going up. This decision has make you millionaire and make you a very poorest. Yes, this decision is very hard for our holder, and this decision is very important also. So let's see to what we do and this time at the anchor, because anchor and the previous days all cryptocurrencies goes down, but anchor has gone very fastly goes down. So what we do and this video special for our anchor holder to sell or buy. Okay, so before I start this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe Abhistic channel. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe it, because this channel provide you a very latest news and special decision to this is selling time or buying time. Okay guys, so please subscribe and like this video. Guys, first of all I'm going to show you the three charts, and then we decide to this is selling time, buying time of anchor, and what and how and which time you sell, which time you buy it. Okay, so this time you can see here the last 7-day result. I already open it on the screen. So this time the 7-day result has gone very bad. I already tell you to the previous 7-day result has gone down. Very all cryptocurrencies goes down. Crypto market totally gone down. Why gone down? Because this is the start of month and every cryptocurrency is totally gone down and those days. You can see here in the price if sometimes the price is increasing, then absolutely focus it and hold it. Okay, please hold it, don't sell it every time the price is increasing now. So let's see this time you remember this price and remember this changes occur which and the previous time you can see here. So this changes is absolutely very important for the decision which we decide to last. Okay, so guys, if you can see here, and the last 24-hour result has gone very good because the crypto market rate is very good, because the crypto market rate is very good. And also my friends, this time all cryptocurrencies gone up, and anchor is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. So guys, if you can see here, this time the current previous chart is plus 2.94% going up. So oh my goodness, this is absolutely good chance for our anchor holder. Congratulations, my brother. This time the price is also is increasing and last 24-hour result. So you can see here they gone straightly and they take a very high jump again. So this is, I don't know how is it possible, then they take a very high jump. You can see here absolutely, you see on your eyes. So let's see the last 1 hour result, and then we decide to this is selling time or buying time, and what's the selling, which time you sell it and which time you buy it. Okay, so let's see the last 1 hour result to what's going on in the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, absolutely the last 1 hour result has gone good. Oh my goodness, my expectation is very good from anchor, because anchor is gone very fastly, and I hope the future is in moon. They're gone like a rocket. You can see here the price is absolutely increasing. My friends, if the price is increasing, then absolutely hold it. They absolutely hold it and wait for increasing. They're gone up, and you just wait for a good time. Which time they go this way, which time they're starting dumping, then absolutely you can see here this time they're starting jumping, and you can see here this time you also wait, and which time they're starting dumping, you can see here this time is this point you just sell it. This is good point to you sell it. They make you millionaire, they give you a good profit, and they come down, you just sell it. Okay, and which time they're starting again jumping, then absolutely this point you buy it. Absolutely this is good point to you buy it, and which time they again going down, then absolutely you just sell it. Okay, so this is good time to you sell it, and this point is very important. You can see here. So please, and I hope you understand this too, which time is selling, which time is buying. So I think the anchor is starting off, so this is not time to you sell it. Absolutely, anchor holder, please don't sell it. This is good time to you buy it, and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good price. They make you millionaire. So thanks for watching. Hope you understand something new. Hope you learn something new. Please, if you learn something new, then like this video and also subscribe this channel for new latest news and updates.